how much of a scene can change for multi-set AI to still be working precisely?
Yeah, and this is a great question, and this was one of the problem that we wanted to solve when we initially designed multiset. Uh, let's say the existing point cloud based registration or VPS system were quite impacted by changes in the environment. So how multiset AI is different is it's using deep learning models underneath uh, to uh, compare what was there and the image which is coming now. So it's quite robust to handling changes. We have multiple benchmarks and case studies done where we have scanned like a event space when no one was there, and now we trusted the system when there's a lot of crowd. So I mean, there's no exact percentage, but as long as it's visually there's something for system to recognize from a database, it will work. So even if it's like 10%, 20% of the area is same, it can still work, right? The accuracy might degrade, but the system would still be reliable enough for you to do your navigation. uh, uh, but let's say if your area is completely changed, like you did an event and now the area is completely changed, what you get with multiset is map versioning. What does that mean? Hey, how can I quickly update this map again without reconfiguring all my navigation and things like that? With multiset, we have one touch update where, hey, you did a scan 3 years ago, and after 3 years, you see so many environment changes have come when you are seeing degradation in accuracy. You can simply go ahead and scan and do a one click update, and multiset will make sure that it registers the old and new scans, even though if it's coming after years of changes, after I mean even from a different provider, right? So we with multiset we have that particular feature as well. We call it map versioning, where you can have different versions of the maps which were taken years apart.
Are you also showing like I don't know, like a level of confidence or level of accuracy? Because I understand the map versioning, but still, it's happening that the site was scanned in one condition and it's being navigated or tracked in other conditions. So, do you like online show the level of confidence for the positioning, or you just
We do.
show the position and don't care
We
about
do.
the?
So every time you, let's say, use the multiset APIs or SDK, and you are doing like an actual query to the multiset service, hey, here is my image where I am in this 3D space. So when we send the response, we also send a confidence interval, which like ranges between 0 to 1. 0 means least confidence, and 1 means like highest confidence. And a lot of our developers have then added checks where, hey, if my confidence is more than zero point 0.3, I'm good enough. This much accuracy is good enough for my use case. But let's say, hey, you want like millimeter or centimeter level accuracy, will set my confidence at zero point 0.5 or zero point 0.6, right? So you can think of a confidence between 0 to 1, and which as a developer or as a system designer, you can tune it like, hey, I want more accuracy, I want less accuracy, I want my poses to be absolute accurate. um, Multiset handles all of it. And on top of that, we with multiset, this is first in industry query systems where we do a lot of sensor fusion, which means instead of a lot of VPS just works on a single image, a single viewport, multiset offers a way where you can send multiple images together and their slam data. And what it does is, instead of looking for one corner and one piece, which could be repetitive and could bring in the additional inaccuracy, multiset does sensor fusion, which means if we send us 4 images, we do the sensor fusion, and in that condition we can give you even more accurate and robust result, right? So it's really on developers on how they want the accuracy and for their use cases.